Number 7 says one way to convert from inches to centimeters is to multiply the number of decimals by 2.54. How many centimeters are there in 1/4 of an inch? So we can multiply the 2.54 times 1/4 to get our answer. When we multiply these, that fraction might throw you off a little bit. You should just change it to a decimal. 1/4 is like a quarter. A quarter is 25 cents. So 1/4 is equal to 25 hundredths. So then we're just going to multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 2 gives us 27. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Put in our placeholder. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 gives us 5. And then we're going to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we have to count our jumps because we're multiplying. There's 2 jumps in the top number. There's 2 jumps in the bottom number, so there's a total of 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer would be 0.635 centimeters. For the bottom question, number 8, says a sign and a baker gives these options. 12 cupcakes for $29, 24 cupcakes for $56, 50 cupcakes for $129. Which option gives the lowest unit price? Show your reasoning. That unit price is a hint. When we see this, we're going to be dividing each of these. So we'll take 29 and divide it by 12. 12 doesn't go into 2. It goes into 29 2 times and gives us 24. We get a 5, and then we're going to put in a decimal, bring down the 0, and 12 goes into 50 4 times and gives us 48. Even though we have a remainder, let's stop there and see if we can tell if it's cheaper than the other options. If we can't tell, we'll keep going. 56 divided by 24. 24 doesn't go into 5. It goes into 56 twice, and that gives us 48. We subtract, and we get, borrowing from the 5, make that 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And we'll put in our decimals, bring it down, and 24 goes into 80. Let's see, 24, 48, 72. So that would be 3 times. So right now, 24 cupcakes is cheaper because it's about 2.3. So now let's check the last one. We know that the 12 cupcakes for $29 is not the cheapest. 50 cupcakes for $129. 50 doesn't go into 1. It doesn't go into 12. It goes into 129 2 times. That's 100. When we subtract, we get 29. And then we bring down the 0 and the decimal. 50 goes into 290 5 times, and that's 250. So we get a remainder, but we can stop again because 2.5 is going to be smaller than 2.3. Sorry, 2.5 is bigger than 2.3. So the cheapest price is 24 cupcakes for $56 because it's about $2.30 per cupcake.